According to the STAT paper of explaining how does the virtual framework could benefit Google for the future decision making, the result has emphasized the artificial intelligence design should take more consideration about ethics aspects, which inspire organizations deploy AI to better serve the people, also eliminate potential risks when technology is in use. In terms of the course concept CSR, Google has focused on technology advancement instead of fulfilling their ethical obligations. By reviewing the CSR theory, stakeholders are main contributors for their organization activity. The company need take reasonable care for these groups instead of addicting with the technical superiority. At the same time, the larger the company, the greater its impact. Google must be cautious with its behavior. If the organization is willing to incorporate the ethical ideology into the AI design, there will be better control on the technology, which would assist company to do the right thing and make good contribution to society and environment. After the learning journey with MGMT5050, CSR should not be seen as means to acquire something profitable. Instead, it is responsible for a company that must be fulfilled. Moreover, the course also provided opportunities to discover the real application of CSR in the emerging industry and how should companies' ethical performance be changed with the development trend. The course inspired me how to transfer our knowledge into action, which will be benefit for ourselves, others, and society. Reflect on the whole learning process in this term. The week 4 SDW session has been one of the most memorable classes for me, which is about decision making. After the presentation of Vroom's time decision-making tree, I have learned that the specific problem statement should be measured against different results, which could help us better organize the analyzing process and viewing the issue in a more systematic way. Another reflection about studying the course was based on the feedback from the assignment. The first block assessment has acquired a good grade, encouraged me to keep thinking in a way of discovering the mechanism under the theory and finding connection between different concepts. However, the second case report has been a big frustration for me, as the grade was under the expectation while I paid lots of efforts. Recalling the preparing procedure, I have found myself no idea about how to identify the issue for the case. By now, I have realized the analyzing required more systematic method than the problem could be recognized more specifically. The frameworks such as BST need more practice to better propose the issue for a particular case. In conclusion, the reflection has provided another opportunity to revise my strengths and weaknesses, also further reinforce my understanding about the course materials. Appreciate for the MGMT5050 course setting, which allows students to make meaning of our learning, assist us applying the knowledge in the real life situation. Ethics is not conceptual only, it is more about action. I hope I could realize my ethical understanding, into work performance, and influence others to make a change. Thank you.